Alright guys, we're out here with the FMS PC-21 Pilatus. Beautiful airplane, and it looks good. Here we go. Let's take a look. Really good looking plane. Up, up, and away. Coming on in. PC-21 Pilatus. Awesome looking bird. Really smooth in the air, guys. FMS did a good job with this one. Flies really effortlessly. I'm literally holding the camera in left hand and flying it on the sticks on the right hand. Just kind of showing you how smooth this thing flies, guys. And it's just locked in. Very nice flyer. Let's see here, real smooth coming around. It's very nice.